to day 5 of the 13 Days of Halloween series. Robin Pitts, who is Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs, and myself are participating with our host, Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. To be entered into our giveaways, you must subscribe and leave a comment daily on each of our videos. I will leave all of the giveaway details in the description box below. And what I have for you today is just a simple ring-bound mini album. I created this a while back, but I wanted to share it with you all. It's great to put those memories in from Halloween. And I haven't added any pictures yet, so I need to print those out. But I used an old paper collection, from My Mind's Eye. On the front, I cut out a piece from the paper, I do believe, and it's from Potions and Magic Spells. And then down here I have a little chipboard piece that kind of got covered up that says Halloween Memories. I cut some flowers out. The little flowers here, I did use my Silhouette Cameo. I designed that flower in that program, and then the flower is from Cricut Design Space, and I do believe it is from one of the Close to My Heart Flower Market cartridges, and it is a beautiful flower. I love how the edge is a little bit scalloped, and I had to put a spider there, and I think he or she looks perfect there on the front of my album. And then I used a punch to cut this chain out, and I decided to use the orange glitter to go with the paper. And this is an older, I think it's an EK Success punch. I've had it for a long time. And then I've just used some various ribbons from my stash that I've tied on there. And once again, that Dollar Tree tool, I'm loving that this year. And I did put a little bit under there, you can see peeking out. I just love that. I think it adds just a little bit of, more dimension to your project. And it's great for the layering. So on the first page here, I just made a pocket with one of the cutter parts and put a couple of tags and put some ribbon there. And I've added some of the gems, and I do believe I picked a bag of these up at Hobby Lobby. Another cut apart from the paper and a chipboard element here. And this was just a basic shape album, so you could just cut some basic shapes out of your chipboard and then cover it with your paper and punch some holes to put your rings in, and then you've got, a simple mini album that I think looks really great. And then there's another pocket here. I'm saving it because I may just want to tuck some photos in, because sometimes Halloween photos you need to see the whole thing versus cropping it to go on the page. And I love this scene on the paper with the blackbirds and the pumpkins and the candelabra, and of course the glitter and some more of the rhinestones. I have a lot of rhinestones throughout. I think I'm going to put pictures of my daughter of her growing up and give this to her. And all dressed up with a background on the glitter cardstock and some more bling, of course, and another spider web tool and black cardstock and another one of the spiders. I thought it looked really neat there on the swirls of the glitter. And I put some more of that chain there just to add a little bit of orange to that page to, balance out with the orange glitter on this page. Another bling piece up there, another Happy Halloween from, I think it was a sticker pack. And another cut apart from the paper with another flower backed on the orange cardstock with some pop dots. And I just love this page here. The Cell and Broom Company, rat poison, I guess is what that is. Coffin Warehouse, just love it. I think it's so neat. And of course, Poison, the Mead Brothers, a druggist. And then a belly band here with a couple of more tags. Just some cut aparts from the paper. And love this up here with the skull. I did put some bling for his eye sockets, and took the chain and went at a diagonal there. And I love, the spider coming down from the spider web. And on this page, I just included this lamppost. I cut it out on my Cricut. Another piece from one of the Brad packs that My Mind's Eye had then. And love the fence here on the paper, so I made it a pocket. Have another tag stuck in there. And of course, love the skeletons. Added another banner, not banner. It's a cobweb out of cardstock and tulle, another brad, and then of course a spider. And Another little ephemera piece here with a brad. Oops. And then another pocket with a tag with a skeleton. And the last page, you've got the skeleton with the orange glitter. And then the back is just that Baroque style paper. So that is what I have created for today. I hope you like it. I'd love to hear your comments, and make sure to have a spectacular day and check out the other ladies.